Probably one of the most difficult and annoying things about doing a class 2 composite is that unless the matrix, the sectional matrix or the Tafelmeier matrix, is really nicely sealed against the proximal box, any composite that we smash in there is going to go everywhere. And that's a real problem because that's incredibly difficult to fix. If after doing a composite, I see that there's extra composite that is creating an overhang or creating kind of a bad looking contour, the tools that I have at my disposal are limited to maybe a high-speed handpiece with a fine carbide burr and maybe some interproximal strips, and those have limitations. That's why it was so exciting to learn about the Profin by Dentatus. It's something that actually attaches to a handpiece. It has the shape to slide up under the gingival contact, and it really does a nice job of smoothing everything out.
I think you'll notice
so easy
the overhang.
Interproximal smoothing, finishing, removal of interproximal cement, interproximal reduction, all made so much safer and so much more fun with this incredibly sophisticated product.